Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a Fandabbydozy day today. Tremendously exciting day today because I have got my first Wishlist 2022 luxury item purchase true unboxing to share with you. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. And if you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, then go on, join us. Hit the subscribe button, ring my bell, and don't miss out on any of my videos. Okay, all I have done so far with this box, this package, is tear off the address details. And this is a wishlist item. I didn't get distracted. I was actually able to find something that was on my wishlist item, so let's get into it straight away. Let's get rid of you. We don't need you. Are you ready? Oh, it's stuck. It's alright. They put the documentation pouch over the edge there. Let's try that again, shall we? Yes, Louis Vuitton. Woo! Gosh, that's quite a box, isn't it? Quite a box indeed. So if you have watched my 2022 luxury wish list video, you probably already know what this is. Looking at the size and the shape of the box and the ribbon that, well, I don't have to worry about sliding the bow off this one because the bow is no bow. There ain't no bow. Let's just get rid of that. Ooh, I'm excited. Obviously I knew what this was, but I still wanted to do a true unboxing with you because you never know what kind of condition stuff is going to show up in. So we've got a little bit of tissue paper here. So there's no dust bag with this particular piece. I shall remove the tissue paper. Yes! I finally have my very own GM agenda. I am so happy about this, really am happy about this. This has been on my wish list for years. I need to have a proper look at it. But here you go, this is, oh my god, that looks all scuffed up there. Nope, that was just a smudge. So, this is, it smells like new canvas. Got a little pen loop here. So on the inside you've got the 6 rings, which you open by pressing these bits down here and just close it like that. You've got a little slip pocket there, slip pocket, slip pocket, slip pocket here, and another one there. I didn't get it hot stamped or anything because frankly I wanted to make sure it was in really good condition before I took it in store or something and got it hot stamped. Now, if you had watched my Vlogmas, specifically my New Year's Eve edition, you'll know that I started going through and setting up my 2022 planner in my medium agenda. Oh, I shall be interested to see what the canvas difference is like on these because I think this one's about 8 years old, 10 years old, can't remember what the date code is on it. But you see the colour of the canvas, the new one looks quite a bit brighter than the medium, slightly older piece. So yes, I have gone through and I have done my 2022 birthdays, events and everything set up in my calendar. There we go, I've utilised some of the stickers, there we go, some of the stickers that Autumn Beckman had sent me for Christmas. So does that mean Am I going to have to buy a new calendar and start all over again with the setup? Yes. Do I mind? Absolutely not. I enjoy doing stuff like that. So yeah, that's not a problem for me at all. I don't know what I would end up using this one for once I've moved into this one. It's not something that I would want to carry around with me too much, but I wanted to have the GN agenda because I just find I need more space when I'm writing notes or even doing calendar entries for things. I find it ends up all getting a little bit higgledy-piggledy and a little bit cramped in there. So it does look good. It's quite interesting, the difference in the canvas. I will find out what the date code is on this. I'm not going to start rummaging around. I think I've written it down somewhere on a spreadsheet or something, my spreadsheet tracker. This has been on my wish list for a very long time, and when I saw it popped up, I got a notification back in stock on the Louis Vuitton website, and I went to look at it and I was like, yay, it's back in stock. It is £550 though. That is a lot of money for an agenda cover. Agenda. I will think about it for another hour and then I'll come back and buy it, and of course by that stage it was gone, it was sold out, and I had to wait and go through the process again. Several times I got the notification that it was back in stock, clicked on it immediately, went straight to the website, sold out. So other people were a little bit quicker on the button than I was. And actually I had set another let me know notification, which didn't come through, but as I was just absent-mindedly going through the website and going through my favourites list, I saw it was available. So I said, that's it, I'm just going to buy it. I'm just going to buy it. So here it is. It is £550, that's a lot of money for some stationery, which is basically what this is. And as my lovely friend Amelia Rose has said in the past, if you are really heavily into your stationery and writing things down, then this is worth having. One of these is worth having, whichever size works best for you. If you are not into writing things down and having a hard copy of your calendar and all of that kind of stuff, if you rely on your phone, then no, it is absolutely not worth buying one of these, even if you think it is cute and adorable and looks a bit flashy and not flashy, a bit flexy, and all of that good stuff, because, you know, whip this out, business meeting. I'm just going to take some minutes. Yes, people are going to notice, people are going to think you are bougie AF. Not worth it if you're buying it as a novelty, worth it if you are really seriously into your stationery, and I do love my stationery, so I'm very excited. I am going to have a proper look at it before I then go and order my inserts for it. One thing I will say, all of the different sizes offer different interior layouts. I like that this one has got slip pocket here and a big slip pocket here and a big slip pocket here, but it does have only two smaller, what you might consider card slots, whereas my medium agenda, because these are no longer called PM, GM and MM, they're called small, medium and large, and I'm just going to hide some of that because that's got some personal information in there. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, so you've got 6 card slots up here, and then you've got this wider slot at the bottom. Now I bought this one pre-loved, and it was the first one I found pre-loved that wasn't a small version, and I've already had a small Filofax, so I knew that wouldn't work for me. So I was going to go for either this or this, whichever one came up first. And this one came up first. I've had it for a few years now. Bought it pre-loved. Always a bit nervous about buying stuff pre-loved. Really don't like buying stuff pre-loved because I'm concerned about authenticity and stuff. But what I did to put my mind at ease was I took it into Louis Vuitton the next time I went into town, and I asked them to hot stamp it. And I just had the Happy Cat hot stamped. I did that because I know that Louis Vuitton will not hot stamp something they don't believe to be genuine. So the fact that they agreed to hot stamp it while I was there meant that they were satisfied that it was the genuine article. So I'm happy with that. Now, my expectation is I move into this, I completely forget this ever existed, and I end up selling it. This is the way forward for me. Nice big chunky agenda that I can fill with lovely, lovely notes and receipts and all sorts of gubbins. I think I'm also someone who retains or learns or absorbs things a lot better if I write them out. If I type them out, it seems to be fleeting. If I write things down, it seems to go in and stay in a little more. So yeah, yes. A wish list item has been purchased. I may end up doing another little setup routine once I've bought all my other bits and pieces for this in a vlog, perhaps. We'll have a little cup of tea together and go through the process of resetting up my 2022 calendar. Are you an agenda person? Are you still analog in that respect, or have you gone full digital and you rely on your smartphone for everything? I hope you've enjoyed this cheeky little unboxing. I know stationery and agendas aren't for everyone, but I know there are a lot of enthusiasts out there as well. I am one of them. Okay, that's it for today. I'll see you, yes you, boop, for the next video. Please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay Fandabbydozy, and bye-bye.